We are headed to the Ren Fair, so I am going to make a potion bottle. There is no outside food or drink allowed at this Ren Fair, which is pretty common, but people do make potion bottles. Sometimes they put lights in them, sometimes they put colored liquid in them. I will be putting vodka in mine, and we're going to try and sneak it in. And it's not that, you know, I'm going to spend money on food and drink there, but they don't have liquor there. They just have meat and beer. And beer makes me really sick, and I'm not like a huge wine drinker, so I'm just worried that if I drink meat all day, it's going to upset my stomach. I'm a vodka drinker, doesn't bother me. So let's get into this. First things first, get your little potion bottle. This one, its little BDSM suit comes off, and I'm going to clean it out. This is real glass. And I did not get a candle because I was also thinking of sealing it with candle wax so they wouldn't make me pour it out. But I might wear a cloak in there. I don't know. I'm going to figure a way. We're going to see if we can get this in. So stay with me, people. Okay, so I rinsed it out. I don't have a... I don't have a whatchamajiggy. Oh, gosh.
I think I'll do a wraparound. We'll wrap around.
Funnel, thank you. Yeah, get a funnel. It'll be easier. Okay, that looks pretty good. It's a lot of vodka. Okay, and now I have some food coloring. I did order edible glitter that was going to make it all shimmery, but, you know, that didn't happen. I didn't get here in time. I'm going to make it green to match my dress. Watch my other video if you want to see me put together a Ren Fair outfit. Okay, that should be enough. This looks kind of cool. I'm worried about this. A lot of people complain that their potion bottles leak. Yeah, because these corks aren't really airtight. It's meant to be more decorative.
I can seal it.
Okay, that looks pretty good. They're going to smell the vodka on me. All right, now we're going to put it back in its little outfit. Do my little belt loop. Sorry, I'm not that cool. I don't have like a legit metal or leather Ren Fair belt. This is what I'm working with, so shut up.
Push that cork on really tight.
Now, I'm going to put this back on. Oh my gosh, what if they have that little machine that looks like a flashlight that can tell if it's alcohol? I went to a kayak place one time in Florida, and they literally made you open up your water bottle and they put this little flashlight thing over it, and it like breathalyzed the liquid. And I was like,
rubbing alcohol.
you know, it's just ridiculous. Like, I thought this was a free country and I should
wear your cloak.
Be able to have this. Thank you. Okay, I'm excited. Huh? Are we gonna make it in? Thank you. Go, 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 go. Keep moving. Keep moving, keep moving. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you. We did it. We did it.
I hope you.
We did it. I realize that it's controversial to make this video. A lot of you are probably going to be upset by it, but please don't worry. We spent plenty of money there on food and tipped the performers and enjoyed the shows and bought cool stuff from the shops. But this is why a lot of Ren fairs are no longer allowing potion bottles, or they have to be completely empty. Is it me? Am I the problem? Always. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the rest of our Ren Fair videos on our channel, where I walk you through how I put together my outfit and we will take you through the Ren Fair. Huzzah!